We'll guide you through how to enable the live chat on a YouTube live stream. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Having the chat turned on means viewers can go and engage. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about this because it can go and give the viewers a better experience and even viewers after that it's finished as well. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about doing this. Make sure this is full guide and don't go and skip ahead. Otherwise you may go miss an important part of this guide. To go and get started, you need to go to the top right of YouTube and find the option for create and click there. Then go down and press go live. You're going to go and be brought to the stream page. Just go and wait. It shouldn't go and take much longer. Here we are. Now, what you need to do is you need to scroll down, come to stream settings, and you want to go and click that there. Then you want to go to where you can see the title and go and press edit in the top right of this section. So to get started, what you can do is come to the left and press customization. You want to make sure that live chat is enabled here. That's really key. And you can go and have these other options as well. You can also go and have participant mode set to anyone, subscribers, or live commentary, depending upon who you want. After you made any change, make sure you press save. You can also press details to the left and scroll down to the bottom here. And you can find comments and ratings. And you can have these turned on as well. You can press save and that's it. Leave a like if you found this useful.